Okay, we're working some calculus and we're doing evaluating limits analytically. And we're in this section right here. If I can get 8.2 to come up, there it is. Oh my God, what is all that? Alright, this is evaluate the limit. We got the limit as x approaches 10 of 10x squared minus 101x plus 10 over x minus 10. So let's move over to the whiteboard. And let's clear that. Alright, we've got the limit as x approaches 10, and up here in the numerator we have 10x squared minus 101x plus 10. And of course that's all over x minus 10. So the first thing we're going to do is the direct substitution, plugging 10 directly in and seeing what happens. A whole bunch of 10s. Like I just worked a problem that had some 10s in it. Okay, so what do we got going on up here? We got 0 in the denominator, that's for sure. We're going to have, what is all this stuff? This is 10. Okay, hold on. I was sitting here looking at this going, that's not how that's supposed to work out. I noticed that I didn't write a 1, so this is 101. Okay, that might be a little better. Now, when we do the calculations on this, we should be getting 0 in the numerator. And we do. And of course that's obvious there. So that means that we need to probably go back and look into factor and then cancel out like terms. So let's take a look at this up here, and I'm just going to do some side stuff down here. Should I write 101 this time? Plus 10. Okay, now the way I see this is, first off we got a plus and a 10 here, and this is kind of key right here. And so that basically means that the two numbers, well, and then we got this 10 right here, so that means that we're going to start off with a 10x, and these two numbers here, when we multiply them together, we need to get a positive 10. Now we need to look at the factors of 10. You have 2 and 5, and then of course 10 and 1, and then you can just kind of go through that and look. And so if I put a 5 here, we know that 10 times 5 is 50, but then we put the 2 here, and there's no way that we can come up with the 101, right? But if I put the 10 here, I know that 10 times 10 is 100, and then the 1 here, and when we add them we can get 101. But the thing of it is, we need to get a negative here, so if we made that a negative and then that a negative, right, a negative times a negative is a positive, and then 10 times 10 is negative 100, and then minus 1 is negative 101. So there you go, that's it right there. And of course, you know, that's kind of a clue what's down there in the bottom. It's not like I didn't plan all that. Alright, so let's rewrite 10x minus 1 and x minus 10. And that's all over x minus 10. So now we can go through and cancel out like terms. So those guys are like and we can go ahead and rewrite this limit. And now do our direct substitution. So we end up with, is that 99? 100 minus 99. We end up with 99. Alright, so let's hold our breath and see what the script shows in 99. Alright, see you there.